So Todd, we have another winner of the Ask Todd and Todd contest. This month's winner of $1,000 WeatherTight cash goes to Patty.
All right.
And she asks, how much insulation do you use when you put in new windows?
That's a very good question, Patty. Thanks for submitting. In fact, before we talk about insulation, which is extremely important, it's more important to actually understand there's two different installation techniques that we can use today when installing windows, and they each will determine how much insulation and the quality of the insulation that you can get. So the first one is what we call a pocket installation. Todd, tell us a little bit about that.
In a pocket installation, the jamb that you have in your house right now stays intact. What goes is the sashes, the parts that move up and down or side to side. The window gets made to fit back into that existing jamb, all right, and then the window gets sealed into that jamb. But what's missing sometimes is that there can be air gaps around the outside of the jamb into the wall cavity, and you can't see it.
Yeah, so the other installation technique that we use is we actually take that jamb out, and by doing that we call that a full frame installation. We take that jamb out, we create an opening back to the original rough opening, and then our window is custom made to fit that opening, and the beauty is we get to now insulate everything around the perimeter of that window on the outside. We'll use a combination of spray foam insulation and fiberglass insulation. The beauty of the spray foam is not only does it insulate around the perimeter of the window, it creates an air and a watertight seal around the perimeter. So that's how you get your best installation technique to make sure that the air drafts are slowed down behind the window.
So wherever possible, the spray foam is really critical because that's the tightest seal.
Right.
So we want to thank Patty again for submitting her question, and congratulations, Patty, on your $1,000 WeatherTight cash. And you know what? You can be a winner too. So just go to weathertightcorp.com/tips and submit your entry, and hopefully we'll read your question on the air and you'll be the winner of $1,000.